guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite super cute go-to hairstyles. Now, the hairstyles I will be showing you guys are really cute for pretty much any season, and they're really cute for a date night, or they're even cute if you're going to brunch with family or friends. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. First up, we have my favorite hairstyle, the simple half up, half down with two curls in the front. This hairstyle is my absolute favorite. It literally can go with any outfit that you put together, so this is definitely number one in my book. Next up, we have my half up, half down still, but I went ahead and put the top half up in a bun. Now this is still a super cute hairstyle. You know, the half up, half down is very versatile. Next, we have the super simple but super cute and fabulous high ponytail with the two curls in front. This one is my personal fave for date nights. I absolutely love it. Next up, we have another versatile hairstyle, which is the ponytails that I have styled in two ways. First, I twisted my hair back into two ponytails with the curls in front, and then I went ahead and switched it up to the messy but still super cute version of the Pocahontas braids. And to give this look a quick twist, I added in some gold accessories, which made it so cute. Next up, we have the super famous side twists. Now you can do as many side twists as you like. I went ahead and did 3. This hairstyle can be worn down, it can be worn up in a ponytail, or you can switch it up like I have, and I went ahead and put my hair in a bun. Now my favorite part about this bun is it just looks like a regular old famous messy bun, but when you turn to the side, it's a whole new story. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you all love my top 6 favorite curly hairstyles. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the post notifications. See you all in the next video.